Silence makes you one with nature. Your nervous system doesn't need more motivation, it needs calm. Silence is a direct way to dissolve inner turbulence. Guruji says it eliminates unnecessary fear, anger, worry, anxiety, and we become one with nature. When you sit quietly, the mind stops fighting everything. The body softens, breathing becomes smoother, and the inner impurities, restlessness, irritation, panic, start clearing. Joy isn't something you chase. Joy is what remains when noise reduces. Try 7 days. Follow Blissful World Plan. Like, share, subscribe.